Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll be discussing a topic close to many hearts. Overcoming social anxiety, building confidence and connections. Social anxiety is a challenging condition characterized by fear and discomfort in social situations. It can make everyday interactions daunting and isolating. Recognizing the symptoms of social anxiety is crucial. Fear of judgment, blushing, sweating, trembling, and avoiding social gatherings are common signs. Building self-awareness is the first step in overcoming social anxiety. Identify specific triggers and thoughts that contribute to your anxiety. Gradual exposure is an effective technique. Start by facing small social situations and gradually work your way up to more challenging ones. Challenge negative thought patterns through cognitive restructuring. Replace self-critical thoughts with more realistic and positive ones. Mindfulness can help ground you in the present moment, reducing anxiety about past or future social situations. Seeking support from friends, family, or a therapist can provide a crucial lifeline when overcoming social anxiety. Consider joining support groups or workshops where you can connect with others facing similar challenges. Be kind to yourself during this process. Overcoming social anxiety takes time and effort, so practice self-compassion. Celebrate your progress no matter how small. Each step towards building confidence and connections is worth acknowledging. Overcoming social anxiety is possible with dedication and support. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Remember, you're not alone on this journey. Take care, and we'll see you in the next video.